20 dibs.
We're crashing!
Tell me what's your altitude?
It's over 9,000.
Uh-huh. How can you tell? Your cockpit is blocked off.
Just guessing. Can you feel it? Are these all supposed to be continuous or?
No, they're just. I'll just edit them into
they're different clips.
Yeah.
Hey Phoenix, what's up?
Hey, Mike.
Hobbs. Professor Winfold Hobbs. I'm the doctor, hello. It's my 14th time. Oh, my first.
And I'm Dee Dee. Dee Dee Blasker.
Don't bother the man. Where's my water?
Fourth, level out. You are leveling out way too much. And you guys are terrible at this.
You know what, Bandy? I don't care!
Forget I asked that.
Operations didn't work. Seems like you're gonna manually land this one.
Yeah, you're going to die. Okay, I didn't redo that one.
Yeah, you're going to die.
You're gonna die.
Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm editing in the plane crash scenes that we're going to be doing for this episode because Corey and Brennan cannot fly to save their lives. So we're going to show how much of a failure they are. Check this out. That's kind of a start right there. Then, what we're using this season is the Team X emergency reverse time, which is what you saw in the last episode. We're going to do that again with some plane crashes. So what I got to do here is put everything in reverse and then edit it back together again. So like this. It's actually a little bit trickier than it looks, to be honest. This episode's not going to have quite as much behind the scenes because we just filmed this in like 15 minutes because Corey had to do theater crew stuff. But yeah, I think this will be pretty exciting. You have to check it out.
Boom. Okay. Well, anyways, Corey, are you using... Corey, darn it. Phoenix, are you using your mobile device to control the plane?
How did you know?
Time Lord, Time Lord.
Did I tell you this is my first time flying? Well, besides the T-Mix, but...
Shouldn't you have like a license?
Nah, I've learned things before. Oh God. Please God. Oh, the alphabet took me a couple of years. Bird.
I'm concluding that it is Penrod. I can't remember what his name is, so I'm just gonna say Penrod. Execution. It is the execution that ship.
Firing torpedoes!
Okay. So let me get this right, Penrod.
Penrod.
Damn it. Fuck, start over.
Yeah. Alright. I'm still rolling. Go ahead.
Alright, so 3 little birds about my doorstep, singing sweet songs of memories pure and true, saying this is my message to you.
You were saying?
Tim, I want you to set the flaps.
I don't even know what that means. Like Flappy Birds or...
Hey guys, I just rescored 100 on Flappy Bird.
You not... what do we do? He's kind of
Alright.
Okay,
flopping
pause.
around.